Hi, this is Anna, and you're on the Crochetclubstore channel. In this short video, I will show you how to crochet a simple baby hat. You can make the size of the beanie you need by using this chart. Start with 39 chains. The first row of crochet 1 chain, 39 loop back stitches, 1 chain. Measure the chain. This will be the length of the hat A plus B in the table. Crochet the second row 39 single crochet for back loop only. Repeat the instructions of the second row for the required number of rows. For a cap size up to 3 months, I got 84 of them. Cut the yarn with long tail for sewing. Sew together the first and last crocheted rows. Introduce the needle. We move from right to left. We do not tighten it too much. The seam should be elastic. Don't cut the thread. This is how the seam looks like. It is not noticeable. Next, we form the crown with a needle. We pick up the rotary loops of the rows and pull the thread tightly. You can go around the circle a second time. We bring the thread to the wrong side and fasten. We hide the thread so that it does not come out and is not noticeable. So, our beanie is ready. Subscribe. In the next video I will show you how to make a pom-pom and decorate our beautiful beanie. Let me know in the comments if you like this format of short videos. Thank you for watching to the end. See you soon.